Welcome to CARAGA, where sustainability meets progress.
From breathtaking islands and towering forests to thriving communities and innovative solutions, the CARAGA region is more than just a destination. It's a story of sustainability in action. Nestled in the northeastern part of Mindanao, CARAGA is proving that progress and environmental stewardship can go hand in hand. Through remarkable initiatives that protect nature, empower people, and promote inclusive growth, the region is making meaningful contributions to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Join us as we discover the best practices that make CARAGA a model for a more sustainable future. CARAGA na!
As Environmental Monitoring Officer said, waste segregation is a critical first step in efficient waste management. Proper waste segregation helps reduce landfill waste, increase recycling, and protect the environment. By supporting SDG 11 sustainable cities and communities in creating cleaner and healthier neighborhoods, and SDG 12 responsible consumption and production by encouraging waste segregation, recycling, and responsible use of resources for future generations.
They practice the development of clean energy projects such as the solar rooftop system and hydroelectric power plant, which not only provides clean energy but also helps with flood mitigation to project and protect nearby communities. The initiative supports SDG 7, affordable and clean energy, by expanding renewable power, and SDG 13, climate action, by reducing reliance on fossil fuels and lowering carbon emissions.
In the fishery sectors, programs like DFAR, SAAD provide tilapia and bangus fingerlings, aquaculture training, and fishing equipment to help communities practice sustainable fish farming in the Agusan River Lake, Mainit, and coastal areas. The initiative supports SDG 2, Zero Hunger, by improving food production and food security, and SDG 12, Responsible Consumption and Production, by promoting sustainable farming, fishing, and waste management. As local efforts continues, it moves toward a cleaner environment and better livelihood for its communities.
Welcome to Agusan del Sur. Today we will explore the key initiatives that support cleaner and sustainable future for Agusan del Sur. First, sustainable practices is sustainable agriculture and agroforestry. Agriculture is one of the province's major resources of livelihood. To make farming more sustainable, many communities practice agroforestry, a system that combines craft with trees on the same land. This approach helps improve soil fertility, reduce erosion, and increase crop productivity, and provide farmers with additional sources of income through timber and fruit-bearing trees. It supports SDG 1, No Poverty, and SDG 2, Zero Hunger, which aim to reduce poverty and achieve food security for all. Another important initiative is environmental conservation through deforestation and ecosystem restoration. We plays a vital role in absorbing carbon dioxide, preventing soil erosions, and providing habitats for wildlife. By restoring degraded forests, communities help maintain diversity and secure clean water resources. This effort contributes the SDG 15, Life in Land, which focuses on protecting terrestrial ecosystem and preventing biodiversity loss. Through sustainable agriculture, conservation, and waste management, Agusan del Sur is building a greener and more sustainable future for all. As tourism continues to grow, Surigao del Norte has embraced innovative solutions to protect its natural resources. One example is the Green Wave project in Surigao, an initiative that promotes proper waste management and a circular economy to address the environmental challenges brought by increasing tourist arrivals. Through this effort, the province contributes to the SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities, SDG 12, Responsible Consumption and Production, and lastly, SDG 13, Climate Action, by minimizing environmental impact and supporting long-term ecological sustainability. Beyond environmental protection, Surigao del Norte also prioritizes inclusive development. Through the Localized to Realize program in Surigao City, marginalized groups such as Tamil, Bajau, and informal settlers are given opportunities to participate in community planning and decision-making. This initiative supports SDG 1, no poverty, SDG 10, reduce inequality,
SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities, and SDG 16, Peace and Justice, Strong Institutions.
Together, these initiatives demonstrate how Surigao del Norte balances economic growth, environmental stewardship, and social inclusion, making it one of the best practices models for sustainable development in the CARAGA region.
Waste management programs in Surigao del Sur shows a strong efforts in protecting the environment and promoting sustainability. One example is the river cleanup orientation held during Zero Waste Month with the team stepping up solid waste management through efficient extended producer responsibility. Another practice is the Ecological Solid Waste Management Program orientation, where residents were reminded to follow Republic Act 9003 or the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act. Using single-use plastics should be avoided in line with local ordinances. Improper burning of waste like dried leaves is prohibited under the law. These practices support SDG 12, responsible consumption and production by reducing waste and promoting recycling, and SDG 15, life on land by protecting rivers and natural ecosystem. The provincial government, together with the Department of Energy, conducted a workshop for the 2 cities and 17 municipalities to create the Local Energy Efficiency and Conservation Plan. This follows Republic Act 11285, the Energy Efficiency and Conservation Act, which aims to reduce energy use and carbon emissions. These efforts support SDG 7, affordable and clean energy, by promoting energy efficiency and renewable energy planning, and SDG 13, climate action, by reducing carbon emissions.
Next is Dinagat Island, known for its pristine beaches and rich marine ecosystem. That province continues to promote sustainable practices that protect nature while supporting local livelihood. One of the province's key sustainable initiatives is community-based ecotourism. Unlike traditional tourism, ecotourism encourages visitors to appreciate nature while minimizing environmental impacts. Local residents actively participate, allowing tourism income to direct benefit to the community. This supports the SDG 8, decent work and economic growth by creating jobs and promoting inclusive economic development. Dinagat Island also protect the forest and watershed through conservation programs and community-led environmental initiatives. Healthy forests help regulate water supply, prevent soil erosion, and reduce the impact of climate-related disasters. They also serve as important habitat for many plants and animal species. It contributes to the SDG 13 climate action, which promotes measures to combat climate change and strengthen environmental resilience. As the island province, Dinagat Island relies heavily on a heavy marine ecosystem. Marine conservation programs and responsible fishing practices help to prevent overfishing and protect marine diversity. It supports SDG 14, Life Below Water, which focuses on conserving oceans and ensuring the sustainable use of marine resources. By promoting ecotourism and protecting its forests and marine ecosystem, Dinagat Island showed that sustainable development is possible through community cooperation. As we have seen across the provinces of CARAGA, sustainability is not just a goal, it is a way of life. From waste management and renewable energy to sustainable agriculture, conservation, and ecotourism and inclusive community development, each province contributes to building a greener, more resilient future while supporting the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Through the collective efforts of local governments, communities, and stakeholders, CARAGA continues to prove that economic growth, environmental protection, and social progress can go hand in hand.
Together, we can build a better future for all.